Alrighty, so here's my 2017 Sea-Doo Spark. I just replaced the injectors and spark plugs, and this is what it's doing now. Keys in. Let's try to route it.